Learning songs is the #1 way to learn the guitar because it's fun, and every new song you learn has something new to teach you. I've been playing guitar for about 34 years now, and I've learned thousands and thousands of songs. I even managed to get a Juno Award nomination and win an East Coast Music Award. In today's video, I want to show you what learning songs has taught me. Not all chords or tabs you find on the internet are the correct way to play the song. You only need to know about 10 basic chord shapes to be able to play thousands of songs on the guitar. G, C, D, A, E, F, B, A minor, E minor, and B minor. Every song has a particular key and has a tonal center, where the song feels completely at rest and completely stable. The one chord of every key is its tonal center. Take Free Fallin' by Tom Petty, for instance. The song's in the key of F, so the resting point or tonal center will be the 1 chord, which is F major. Always know the key of the song you're playing. The 5 chord wants to resolve or go back home to the 1 chord. This creates tension and gives the song a sense of momentum or forward movement. It just feels like the song's going somewhere. Most songs you learn on the guitar are only made up of 4 basic chords: the 1, the 4, the 5, and the minor 6 chord. So if you're playing in the key of C, it would be C, F, G, and A minor. But the chords would be mixed up in the song and not played in that particular order. If you're trying to figure out the key of a song, a really simple way to do it is look at the first chord and the last chord of the song. There's a really good chance that that will be the key of the song. It's really easy to transpose or change the key of a song. So first start with the musical alphabet to get the chords of the key, the diatonic chords: C, D minor, E minor, F, G, A minor, B diminished, and then number them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then the new key, say G for example: G, A minor, B minor, C, D, E minor, F sharp diminished, and then number them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then just interchange the Roman numerals or numbers, and that's from the old key to the new key. And I got the sharps from the circle of fifths. Changing the key of a song is not always a good idea because you can lose the feel or sound of the original recording. If you're trying to figure out a song by ear, listen to what the bass is doing. The bass is always usually playing the root note of the chord, so the bass will give you your chords. Always know the key of the song you're playing in. It acts as a cheat and tells you what chords are in the song and what notes are in the song. For example, if you're playing in the key of C, you automatically know that the 1 chord is going to be C, the 4 chord is going to be F, the 5 chord is going to be G, and the minor 6 chord is going to be A minor, and the notes that are in the song are going to be just C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. Always know the time signature of the song that you're playing in, because this will also act as a cheat and give you an idea how the song should feel. So if a song's in 4/4 time, it'll have that basic rock or pop feel. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Most songs are in 4/4 time, but a song could also be in 3/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or 6/8 time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It'll just give you an idea for strumming patterns and how the song should feel. When playing guitar, always lock into the pulse or the beat of the song and never waver from it. Always know where the 1 is of every bar. It's kind of like your guiding light. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're playing with another guitar player, don't just play the same chords. Put on a capo and play higher up the neck, or use inversions. It'll sound way more interesting and way cooler. Songs that have chords in them that don't belong in the key usually sounds amazing and super interesting. Nirvana were experts at this. Add 9 chords sound awesome in songs. Jazz chords like major 7s, minor 7s, and dominant 7s sound awesome in songs. Songs are basically just a simple melody supported by harmony or chords and a rhythm. Always keep the beat of the song steady and moving forward, even if you can't get to the chord in time. If you don't, it'll derail everything. Tune your guitar every time you pick it up. When it comes to the guitar, there are 3 different rhythm or accompaniment styles. There's strumming, there's bass drum style, and there's fingerstyle. Master all 3 and you can mix them all together. Learning how to play songs also teaches you about song form. For example, verse, verse, chorus, verse, chorus, bridge, chorus. And learning how to play songs will teach you how to write your own songs. If you want to up your fingerstyle game and learn how to fingerpick for 2025, check out this video. See you in the next one.